Hey yo, it's Chef Logan here. We're gonna get ready to make some fry bread. Are you with me? Let's get cooking. Hey, fry bread can be made plain with honey and jam, or even as a taco. But today we are making it plain.
We'll first start off by making the dough. We'll need a flat surface to put flour on to start rolling the dough. We'll need flour, Himalayan pink salt, baking powder, cup to measure water, and a bowl to mix the dough in. 4 cups of flour.
Next, you will need 1 teaspoon of Himalayan salt, or any salt. I prefer Himalayan because I like to imagine myself laying on the top of the Himalayan mountains. Oops. Next, you will need 1 tablespoon of baking powder.
Next, you'll need 1.5 cups of warm water.
Now, you will need to pour the water into the bowl. Now, you want to mix all of the good into the bowl. Let's begin. You must stir till dough forms, obviously.
You'll need a surface with flour on so you can put the dough on it and roll it up good. Cut most of this shit. Alright, that's good. Make sure all the dough is out of the bowl. Now put the dough back in the bowl. Now cover the bowl with plastic wrap. Make sure it's seated right. Put into the fridge for 30 minutes to an hour.
Fun fact, in 1864, fry bread was first made. It was made by Navajo Indians with very basic ingredients.
Next, you'll need vegetable oil. You would need enough in the pot to at least have the bread float on top. So you can get that nice golden brown on the bottom and flip it so you can have the nice golden brown on the other side of the fry bread. Next, put the dough on the surface. Make sure you put it out a bit. And cut it there. Now, you'll get your dough out at least to about this size of a ball. Now you just want to flatten it out. I'm going to spread it out to at least this size right here. Okay. This piece of fried bread, we made it into dessert with honey, jam, strawberries, and whipped cream. Dinner out of it. Chicken, tomatoes, and cheese. And some sour cream on top. Product. Looks pretty good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's try some, Logan.
Okay.
Crunchy.
Mm.
That's some good stuff.
Delicious.
Alright, cut it.
On the Chef Logan Show, we do not settle for less, we settle for the best.